Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an amazing day. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how to make a rough sketch based on a scenery that I came across recently. Although I don't spend much time with sketching, drawing, these kind of things, because most of my time goes with paintings. However, occasionally I do feel like sketching because it's a very good way of an artist being able to express her thoughts in a very quick way. I find rough sketches really authentic and raw compared to a finished, polished piece that we spend hours and hours in to make it perfect. But when it comes to raw sketches, it's like the imperfections, the messy areas is what makes it the perfect piece. For those of you who need tips on how to make a good sketch, I would suggest them to start off with those elements of the image first that they're most comfortable with. It could either be the trees or the mountains or the water, sea, wherever that is, and then proceed on to the next elements. Since it's not a very proper sketch with all the finite, precise, polished details, it's not really necessary to worry about the symmetry or the geometry or those kind of things. It's a quick sketch that's supposed to be completed from within 5 to 10 minutes, and this is one of the main tips that I always give to people. The key difference between a rough sketch and a proper sketch is that a rough sketch is supposed to be done quickly, like it's a quick rough sketch. So the time duration is very important, and that there has to be a certain difference between a proper sketch and a rough sketch. A rough sketch should look like a rough sketch, and a proper sketch should look like a proper sketch. By that, what I mean is it should have a proper line of symmetry in it. It should be using some geometry shapes or something to get the symmetry to make it equal, and there are many other factors involved in that. The right amount of shadows, right amount of shading, and it takes a couple of hours to come up with a proper sketch with all the details, all the precision. One of my favorite bits from this sketch that I really loved was the part where I'm using the aquarelle brush to add shadows onto the mountains, onto the trees, and how the part where I used the pen underneath added a lot more enhancement to the aquarelle brush that I used above, and that was really satisfying for me. Like, that was one of the best parts about sketching this. So as we approach towards the end of the video, I want to take a moment and show you guys the materials that I used for this sketch. Mostly it was just a random pen, the black pen, and the aquarelle brush to add some details, shadows and all, and the pastel pen from Edding, just to add a bit more of details. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Feel free to ask me questions if there are any, and see you in my next video. Bye.